is it possible to generate consistent sales on Amazon without running PPC ads? Yes, it is. The way how you would do this, it requires brand recognition from the outside or bringing external traffic onto your Amazon listing. Now, this is really important because otherwise there's really no other way how to generate sales without Amazon ads. Keep in mind that Amazon ads, the way how we love to use Amazon ads is we love to be on the platform and advertise on the platform. And if you're already doing any external traffic or if you already have brand recognition, then it's completely fine. But on the platform itself, the platform is designed in such a way that it's going to require you to pay for eyeballs, right? So even if you're organically ranking for your branded terms, for example, we would be still running ads for your branded term. Why? Because if you're not running those ads, someone else will. So for example, for us in our company, we do have a strategy that is actively called Conquer. And also we have a strategy that is actively called Protect. So the Protect strategy basically means that we are going to protect our own branded name, terms, and our own listings. Why are we doing this? It's because we paid for that. And if we're not keeping ourselves on those terms, on those search terms, then someone else is going to showcase their product there. So this is why I'm saying that it's a matter of insurance. And when do you need insurance? You need insurance before the catastrophe or tragedy or whatever accident is happening.